Hello again from Oaken Innovations. We're excited to show you at Money 2020 some of the things we've been working on with Toyota Research Institute. Earlier this year, we debuted our proof of concept, blockchain-enabled peer-to-peer car lease application at Consensus in New York. This application allowed consumers to lease a vehicle from a car owner using a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, file storage on IPFS, and a mobile application to lease and control access to the vehicle. Prior to our car lease model, we developed a blockchain-powered automated toll road system with connected cars. This project won us the top honors among the entire world at the UAE International Blockchain Hackathon. These applications allow for instantaneous remittance between the transacting parties. They do this without the need for payment processors by using logic coded to a smart contract. The hyper-secure blockchain-based IoT controls add a level of security not currently available on the consumer market, all while reducing or eliminating the need for server infrastructure. Oaken Innovations wants to give you a glimpse into the mobility future we envision and show why this is important to the payments and financial services industry. We use the blockchain for application logic and data storage, replacing traditional server infrastructure. Here we use the blockchain to store vehicle identity along with GPS. Now we add road and mapping data and allow trusted entities to update this decentralized data layer. Smart road sensors can also feed this database. This allows for a complete view of all vehicles and infrastructure with current construction and traffic conditions while allowing third-party applications to be built on top of this data. Let's amend that vehicle data for lease or ride-sharing services. This now allows consumer mobile apps for ride-sharing or leasing using this blockchain services layer. In a ride-share or lease transaction, things get very interesting. Using blockchain technology, instant value transfer and microtransactions are now possible. Within one smart contract transaction is instant remittance to several parties, including the vehicle owner and driver, insurance provider, toll road authority, and road tax entity. Why is this valuable? The automobile owner and driver receive guaranteed and instantaneous payment of funds. Microinsurance policies for each ride or lease transaction can be paid to an escrow contract, then remitted to the insurance provider once the ride is complete, with the balance of that escrow going to the rider or lessee. We can use an escrow contract for autonomous toll payments and even eliminate toll gates from the toll road infrastructure, as we can prove the location of the vehicle using GPS. We can even have smart toll road infrastructure where roads are only charged during peak hours. As consumer behavior moves away from purchasing fuel and favoring pay-per-ride mobility over vehicle ownership, road and infrastructure authorities will face a shortfall of tax revenue that currently funds the construction and maintenance of roads. Included in the mobility transaction is a usage-based tax to replace this lost revenue, even short trips where a fraction of a penny is needed for taxation. All of these parties receive the benefits of instantaneous remittance, all included in a single transaction user experience, all without the need for payment processing intermediaries. Let's go further. With this blockchain platform in an autonomous driving world, we get to go beyond rider mobility into other applications. Solar energy production is highest when the sun is shining the most. That's typically in the middle of the day. Energy demand typically spikes in the morning and then again in the evening, time that solar energy production is weakest. During low mobility demand times, automated vehicles can store solar energy during peak production times, then deliver that energy when and where it is needed. Also, since we have the automobiles equipped with 5G connectivity, we can provide a self-healing mesh network across large areas, as well as partitioned consumer Wi-Fi service, all while the vehicles receive microtransaction reimbursements for sharing their internet connection. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed our version of the blockchain-powered vehicle future. For more information, please visit us at oakeninnovations.com and blockchain-mobility.org.